In this video, I'll show you how to solve the problem that you're having with your Hisense TV, where the screen stays completely dark, nothing is happening, although you're trying to power it on. Okay, so
You can also cold boot your TV, which can fix it in many cases.
go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall socket. Wait 5 minutes. During that 5 minutes, don't just stay there. Go ahead and find the power button of your TV. Usually it's located under it, in the middle, or on the right side. Once you found that button, keep it pressed during 30 seconds. Even if the TV is unplugged, don't worry, just keep it pressed 30 seconds. Release the button. And now you're gonna unplug every HDMI connectors that are on the back of the TV. Usually there's 3 ports, maybe you have 4 HDMI ports. Well, disconnect every single cable that are connected. Okay, great. Next, you're gonna plug back your Hisense Roku TV in the wall socket. Do not plug it in a power bar. Maybe this was causing your issue. Once you've done this, you're gonna power on your TV using the button under that you just pressed previously. Just tap on it once. Then the TV should turn on and hopefully the screen will be lit up and you won't have any issues.
If your TV screen still refuses to turn on, then as a last resort, we can try resetting our TV using the physical reset button. But remember that this will erase all the data that's on your TV and you need to set it back up.
This is a 43-inch Hisense Roku TV. Maybe yours is slightly different, I have to warn you, but this model over here, if you check on the top above the USB port, we're gonna find a very small button, almost hard to see it. And if we look over here, it says reset. Maybe your button is not located on the same location. Maybe yours is down below. I saw it sometimes right over here, or sometimes it's on the back panel somewhere. You need to find it, and it's always saying reset beside it, just to make sure. So you're gonna take a pencil, a paper clip, something of this nature, because it's hard to press just with your finger, unless you have really long and thin fingernails, I guess. Anyway, you're gonna take your pencil and you're gonna press this button. You're gonna keep it pressed during 10 seconds. Okay, do not release it. If you're gonna release it under 10 seconds, the reset won't be completed. It will simply reboot your TV and nothing will happen really. So over here, keep it pressed during 10 seconds. Do not release it. After 10 seconds, release the button. By the way, the TV will turn off and on multiple times during this time. It's doing the factory reset. Do not touch anything. After 2 or 3 minutes, the reset should be done and you should be on the first setup screen ready. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.